And with the Bodhisattva, we are studying this precious book, which is called the 37 Practice of the Bodhisattva. We are in the middle, the virtue of the middle. It has two, and first is the preliminary aspect. It has 7, and the first one is talking about the human existence. And also in the Shantadeva, he said that the freedoms and riches are extremely difficult to obtain. They accomplish the purpose of the human existence. And also further, there's many different quotations to say that to find the basic on the ship or the vessel of the human body, it is very difficult and hard to find. And also under this human existence, we can make free from all the 6 realms of the samsaras, and also through the human existence we can make liberation in this single of these lifetimes. And therefore we need to appreciate about our body, and we need to recognize the such qualities of our body. And also, when we recognize this precious human existence, it is very important to do something in this moment. And therefore, and he said, day and night, without indolence or interrupted, about to listen Dharma, reflecting on the Dharma, meditate on the Dharma. If we do like this, then this is the Bodhisattva practice. As we say, in the human bodies, or in the human existence, what we need to do, something is the meaningful, something is very important we need to do. And someone is very intelligent to collect the food, drink, clothes. And someone's very intelligent to earn the money and to in the worldly. I mean, it is intelligent, but that much intelligent. And even some animals are also quite very intelligent, and how they can to survive in their life. And when they're hungry, they can to searching easily to get food, drink, and also they can make nice nest or the house and to safe to place. And also they're taking care of the families. And this sort of the daily our samsaric activities, of course it is the necessary, but it is never bring for us happiness for last forever. And this need to do it, but that is maybe not principle of the tasks. And I think this electronic gadgets never it works. What has happened? It works?
Not stable.
There's sound behind.
Sound is gone?
Yes.
Okay. It's okay? Now it's okay. Can you translate? Friend, translation is okay? It works. It's okay? What happened? Okay, batteries. Okay. But maybe this microphone, nice. Okay. This microphone works. It works. Okay. Maybe this one works, very well. Okay, now it works. Yes, Deshampao. Now it works. Okay. Based on the sheep, the human bodies, on the become liberate from the great river of the suffering. It's okay? Based rely on the human sheep's boat. One become liberated from the great river of the suffering of the samsaras. In order to do that, we need to listen Dharma and reflect on Dharma, meditate on Dharma. If we do like this, that is the Bodhisattva's practice. And we need to talk more and further about the human existence. And it is very, very important. And also it's the Nagarjuna, he said that since it is extremely difficult to obtain the human birth, by the practice in the holy Dharma, Lord of the humans, make it is the meaningful lives. And like therefore, when we listen Dharma, it is making the meaning for our life. Because when we listen Dharma, we have more clearly mind. Which kind of clearly mind? It's what is the right, what is the wrong. Of course, we come to say it's a democratic countries. We say the right is wrong, but we're using every day right is wrong. And in the relatively right is right, wrong is wrong. For example, in the Buddhist perspective, 10 negative is wrong. If you kill, it's wrong. If you stolen, it's wrong. Do the sexual misconduct, is wrong. And exactly the 10 negative actions. Those are anyway, it's very bad for you, it's very bad for others, and very bad for everybody in the relatively. That is the wrong. If you stop to the killing, if you stopped doing like kind of stealing, so on, there's 10 negative actions to stop, to completely, to you have your own discipline, moral discipline, 10 positive actions. It is a right. And then it's like you do these 10 right things, it's a really meaningful life, and making the precious your human existence, is happy in this life, and also according to these actions, and we will receive a lot of happiness. This is just the simple thing. Of course, in the Dharma, these explanations, there are many, many right things. Of course, we understand the crucial point. We all the time say the quintessential Pita instructions. If we understood that, one moment we can to become the enlightenment and the great achievement, great happiness, and that is like really is like forever, permanently we receive the happiness. And that is the through the the education of the Dharma. Therefore, we need to listen to the Dharma, to making the precious human existence meaningful. Reflect on Dharma. Dharma is nothing existence. Dharma is our activities. If we are reflecting on our activity of the body, speech, mind, and there are something the movement is right, something movement is wrong, and therefore if we reflect more and more, and then we understand this distinguish between what is the right, what is the wrong, and we do the right things, we are like kind of developing ourselves, and also like kind of making the improve ourselves, and there is the process of the liberations. If we are like all the time is like doing wrong, the movement is negative things. The negative is the negative. Each moment is like kind of worse and worse. Maybe it is like kind of through the negative actions, more sickness, more short life, and also people is like more concerned you are as evil, and whoever to be the nearby the you. It doesn't matter you rich, it doesn't matter you powerful, doesn't matter you are president of this universe, and the people more scary to you, more unhappy with you, and difficult to trust you, and it's a negative things is bring all the times negative things. It is the truth in this life and also in the next life and the next lifetimes. Therefore, we need to reflect on our activities of the body, speech, mind. That is the Dharma. And also the meditate. Meditation is very important, but correct meditation. For example, if I'm saying it's like I'm thinking about the alcoholic. Okay, oh, delicious Irish whiskies. And just only this one, maybe I can't say that I meditate on the Irish whiskies. But this is meditation. Yes, of course, I'm focused on the Irish whiskey. This is meditation, but this meditation doesn't make like a positive effect in our minds. And through the listen Dharma, through the reflect Dharma, which kind we need to meditate? Meditation is important, to correct meditations. For example, here is the quoting the Bodhisattva's practice. We need to meditate on the compassion, wisdom. And when we meditate on compassion, more kindness and more understanding to the other situations, and through that also wisdoms more sharp, wisdoms to understand the reality of the phenomena. And we this morning we talking about phenomena are the free from the coming, free from the going. How it is. For example, at the moment, many people become confused. We think we are come from, we have source, past in the past already existence. Maybe we think one day we need to go on the past. One day I will go back to my past. It's a very stupid concerning things. Okay, I'm thinking in the future. Future, of course, there is the future is not existence. Future according to the present actions, then is the future is coming. Futures because it's the present moment. Present is like something is like positive, future is positive. Present is a negative, future is a negative. Therefore, it's like we are meditating on the great virtue of the compassion and the realization of the wisdom, and to like this is a Dharma, that is like kind of Bodhisattva's practice. And I haven't got much these numbers. Maybe you have your own the number, okay? Now next one is I think it's the second number or third number. Okay, love.